Hello. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Hello. Wow. Hello, good evening and welcome to our class for today. So, are you my student for today?
Yes,
Yes. Wow. So, hello, good evening and welcome to our class. So, for this one, let us start with our self introduction. So, what is your name?
my name is Hoàng. I'm
Howang.
15 years old.
Oh, 15 or 16 years old?
15 years old.
15. Oh, okay. You are 15 years old. And what do you want me to call you? Should I call you Hoa? Hoa?
Uh,
Do you have any nicknames that teacher can call you?
I nickname is Tubi. My nickname is
Ru
Tubi.
to be?
Tubi. Yes.
Yes. Wow. So hello to be nice to meet you. So my name is Teacher Iris and welcome for our demo class for today. So, are you ready for our lesson for today?
Yes.
Yes, that's good to know. So, let us start our lesson for today. So, for this lesson, we will have a free talk. So, we will practice your speaking skills in this lesson. So, are you ready for this one?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So let us start our lesson. So we will start first with can you read this one to be? This is
Personal, personal information.
very good. Personal information. So first, we will talk about your personal information or the things that are about yourself. So let's go with our next page. So you will just answer some of these questions. Okay. So first, let's have our first question. So for this one, we have already your name. So how do you spell your name to be or your nickname? How do you spell that
Um,
one?
uh, is T U B I. Tubi.
Tubi? Is it letter B as in boy or V as in victory?
Uh, is
B, is that correct? This one?
Tubi. Yes. It's okay.
Yes, to be very good. And may I know where is your hometown
Um,
or where do you live?
I live in Hanoi,
You live
and
in?
in Hanoi,
I live in Hanoi, Vietnam.
plus
Yes, wow, that's good to know. And w- in this hometown of yours, what is your hometown famous for? What is your hometown famous for? Are they famous or what are the food? It can be food, things that are famous in your place.
I I don't know. I
I
know
don't
where I
know.
live. Yes,
Oh, how about the food? You don't know any food that is famous in your place?
yes, I remember it.
I don't know. It's okay. So for this one, do you still live in Hanoi, Vietnam?
Yes,
Yes. And let's have our next question here. So, do you work or study?
I study.
Oh, you are. So, we can say, I am studying. So, let's say, I am studying.
I am studying.
Yes. And what grade? What grade are you in right now? Are you in high school, middle school? What grade?
Uh, I
I am.
I grade in high school.
Oh, you are high school?
Yes.
Wow, that's good to know. And do you have any favorite subjects in your
Uh, my
school?
my favorite subject is math, English, and PE.
English and what is the last subject?
PE.
PE?
Yes.
Oh, physical education, is that correct? So
Yes.
why, yes, why do you like PE? Do you play
Um,
sports?
yes, I like playing football with my friend at school.
Oh, wow. That's good to know that you are also playing football. So a lot of my students, so they are also playing football. So that's very good. And how about math subject? Do you not find it difficult studying math?
No, I think it's so easy.
Oh, wow. You are so very good because teacher is so I think that math or mathematics is very difficult. So I only like the English subject. So how about English? Why do you like English?
Because it's uh, because it's a fun and I like it.
Oh, wow. For how long? How long are you studying English?
Uh,
English.
I study English in the I 4 years old.
Oh, when you are still 4 years old?
Yes.
Oh, that's so early. Wow. That is why I can see that you are really fluent with your English right now. So, wow, very good. So, that is a very interesting information about you. So, thank you so much for expressing yourself in this question. So, now let's go with our fifth question. So, can you read our fifth question here?
How do you see the use the work or study?
Okay, so are you busy with your work? Do you have any work right now? No?
No, I
No.
don't have any work.
Okay, very good. So you are just busy. Are you busy with your school right now?
No,
No.
I'm not busy.
Oh, you are not busy. So what are you doing in your school right now? Do you have homeworks, projects?
Anytime. Anytime I have to work.
Oh, anytime you have to?
Yes.
You have to?
uh, Anytime I have to work, so I not busy in our study.
Okay, I see. So you have already finished those homework?
Yes.
That's very good. So next, let's go with your hobbies. So what are your hobbies or what are the things that you like to do every day?
My hobby in the free time is uh, reading books and playing the video game.
Oh, wow. So what are the books that you are reading right now? Or what kind of book? Is it storybooks, nonfiction? What books are you reading? Or are you reading comics? Or
I read short stories.
you read you read what?
Short stories.
Ah, short stories. What are those about?
Um, um, like
It's about is it short stories, romance, or comedy? Or what genre are those
uh,
short
com
stories? Comedy?
comedy, comedy. Yes.
Oh, it's about comedy. So very good. How about the video games that you play? What are the video games that you are currently playing right now?
I play about writers, call about and play about
About
okay, sport and drive a car.
a car game?
Yes.
Oh, I don't know that game. Do you play what are the popular games right now? Do you play Roblox? Do you play that game? No.
Mm, sometimes,
Sometimes.
sometimes I play it.
Wow. Wow, same. So teacher also plays Roblox. Okay, so very good. So thank you so much for answering this question. So now let's go with our next question. So what do you do often during weekends? What are the things that you do during
I
weekends?
I often do what weekend if I have my family leave the house and
Oh,
I do homework. Yeah.
oh wow. You do homework during weekends?
Yes.
Wow, that's very good. So you are so clever. So you always do homework. Wow, that's very good. Aside from doing homework, what do you do at the weekends?
I have family do housework.
Oh, you do household chores?
Yes, have family do housework.
Wow, very good. How do you do household chores in weekends? So very good. So next. So you already told teacher what sport you are playing. So aside from football, what other sports that you play?
Mm, I think it's tennis.
Tennis?
No, it's badminton.
What
Badminton.
what is that?
Badminton.
Ah, badminton. Wow. So teacher is also plays badminton. And who do you play badminton with?
Uh, I often play badminton with my friend, or sometimes I will play with my dad.
Oh, wow, with your dad. That's good to know
Yes.
that you have a close band with your dad. That's very good. And for this one, aside from football and badminton, which sports are you good at? Are there other
Uh,
sports?
I think I good at play football.
I'm good.
Um,
How about
yes, I
basketball? Do you play basketball?
basketball. I
No.
I don't know play basketball. I
Oh,
can't
you
play basketball.
Oh, okay, I see. So you only play football and badminton, is that correct?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so very good. Thank you so much for answering these two questions. Now let's go with our Next question. So, can you tell teacher about your family?
Uh, in my family, I my family uh, my dad, my mom, uh, three little brother, and my grandmother.
Oh,
We,
mom,
um,
brother,
seven person, seven people.
seven. You have seven people in your family?
Yes.
Oh, how many is your brother? Only one?
Mm, I have three little brother.
Oh, you have three? Is that correct? Three?
Yes.
Wow. How about sister? Do you have a sister?
No, I don't have
No.
sister.
No, I don't. No, I don't. Let's put this one. No, I don't have sisters. And you only have brothers. And is your grandfather with you at your home also?
Yes. Also at home.
Mm. Oh, okay. That's why you are seven in your family. Is it your grandparents in your father's side or mother's side? Uh, is
Uh,
is the grandparents that with you at home is in your dad's parents or your mom's parents?
my grandparents.
Oh, your dad's parents. How about your mom's or mother's parents? Where are they?
Mm. My
They
mom parents,
where
they
are they living in, also in your place, or they live in some place?
live in the place.
They are in their place. Where is their place? Is it also in Hanoi, Vietnam, or different
Uh,
different place?
we live in, in we live in hometown in the countryside.
Oh, countryside. The
Yes.
countryside. Oh, okay. So for your three little brothers, are you the eldest one? Are you the eldest?
No,
Are
no,
you are you
no.
the oldest brother?
Yes, for the right.
Yeah. Oh, and do you have a good relationship with your brothers? Are you close with each other?
Yes,
Yes, that's
yes,
very good to know. How about with your mother and father, your mom and dad? Do you have a good relationship with them?
yes, so good.
So good. Wow, that's very good to know. And what do you often do at home with your parents? Do you play games with your parents, or do you help your mother cook, or what are
Yes,
the things? Oh,
I sometimes I have my mother cook the dinner for our family, and my
mm,
dad. I sometimes I play sport with my father.
wow, that's very good that you are, or that you have a good relationship with your mother and father. Very good. So thank you so much for sharing that experience with your family. So what is your personality? Or when we say personality, it is the attitude that you have with yourself. For example, we have this. Do you know, or are you familiar with introvert and extrovert?
My
Are you familiar?
Personality is mm,
Yes. Are you familiar with introvert and extrovert? These two words. Are you familiar with them?
yes,
Yes. Are you an introvert or are you an extrovert?
I am extrovert.
Oh, wow. You are an extrovert. So you love to socialize with other people?
Yes, I
Yeah. Yes. Wow. That's very good to know. And for this one, what are the things that you do as an extrovert person? Do you often make friends? Do you often socialize? Or what are the things that you do as an extrovert?
I I travel with my friend.
Mm, and
Um,
you mostly spend times with your friends? Is that correct?
yes, yes.
Yes. Wow. And what are the other things that you do? Do you are you a talkative person? Do you talk a lot?
Yes, I talk with
You're very
him a lot.
wow. So yes, I talk a lot. So very good. So you are an extrovert. That's very good to know because I can see that you speak very well and you can express yourself very well. So good job. So next, let us go with our next step or next part, which is what is our part two of this free talk? It's all about
Everyday, everyday activities.
yeah. So for our second part, it's all about everyday activities. So these are the activities that you do often. You often do every day. So next, let's have this question. So let's skip this part because we have already answered this too. So let's go with our third question. So, what time do you usually get up in the morning? Or what time do you usually woke up?
In the morning, I often wake up in seven,
At
seven
7,
o'clock.
oh, 7 o'clock.
Sometimes I wake up in 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay. So is this 7 o'clock is like the time that you go to school?
Yes,
Oh, how about the 9 o'clock? So do you wake up usually at this time when it is weekend, 9 o'clock?
in 9 o'clock. I wake up in weekend.
Okay. So for this one next, let's go to our next question. So what time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
I go to school at 8 o'clock. Is your school near at your house?
No,
Or no, it's far, very far.
it's not so. Um,
It's not
it,
far.
it's next to library and behind uh,
And
it's
behind.
behind a football field.
Oh, behind a football field.
Yes.
Oh, wow. But how do you go to school? Do you ride a bike? Do you ride a bus? Or do you walk when going to school?
Uh, I go to school by my electric motorbike.
Oh, electric bike?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I go to school using electric bike. Wow. Next. So next, let's have the next question. So what do you often do in the afternoon after school?
Mm, I often do in afternoon school is I watch the TV and I eat the biscuit
Oh, you eat biscuit?
and what
And how about the other things that you do? Do you also play video games after school?
no,
Ano?
I play video games in the evening. I
Ah, oh, in the
I
evening.
I uh can play video games at school.
Mm, okay.
First, um, first,
I see. Very good. So you don't play video games after school, so you play it in the evening?
because my school prohibit using mobile phones.
Oh, so in your school, it is not allowed to play? Uh,
Yes,
okay. So that's good to know because we are not supposed to play at school. So we should study. So that's very good to know.
you you should play at home. Yes.
Yes, we should play at home. Very good. So next, let's have these next question. So what time do you have your dinner? What time do you eat? Do you eat dinner at evening? Do you eat dinner at 6 o'clock in the evening? What?
Uh, no, normally I was eat at 7 or 8 o'clock.
Oh, 7 or 8 o'clock. And do you usually eat with your family?
Yes, I
Yes,
often eat with our family.
yes. Wow, that's very good. So next, what time do you usually go to bed? What time do you
Mm,
usually sleep?
Normally, I go to bed in 10 o'clock. Sometimes I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Oh, and why do you go to sleep sometimes at 11 o'clock?
Because I busy about my
Oh, you are busy about your homework?
homework.
Oh,
Yes.
that's very good. I thought that you are playing video games, but it turns out that you are busy with your homework. Wow, that's very good. So next, what do you usually do before sleeping aside from your homework? What do you do before sleeping aside from doing homework? Do you play video games before sleeping or do you watch TV?
I read a book.
Oh, read a book. Is this a book, a short story?
Yes.
Yes, wow. And what is your favorite genre when reading a book? Do you like comedy? Only comedy? Don't you like any other genres like horror or fiction?
I like comic, comic book.
Comic books? Comic books?
Yes.
Yes. Is the comic books about the animes? Is that correct? I'm not familiar.
About, yes,
Oh, about
I like about Doraemon.
Doraemon?
Yes.
Oh, that's very good. So next, let's have here our last question. So what do you usually do at the weekend? Oh, actually, we have already answered this question. But what are the other things that you usually do at the weekend?
I usually do as a kid, I uh, face to face with friends and
Mm,
um,
place to place or face to face?
face to face.
Face to face. Oh, with your friends? Mm.
Or I go outside to play with my family.
Okay, that's very good that you are socializing with your friends and family. That's very good. So for this one, 2B, so we will end our lesson in here. So this will be our last question. So for this lesson, for our free talk lesson, so I can see that you really did a great job in expressing yourself because I can see that you can really speak well. You can also use words really well. So, very good. So, I can see that studying since you are 4 years old, so it really pays well because you're speaking. So, it is really good at thinking that you are still just 15 years old, so you are really good in the English. So it will be uh, it will be improved if ever that you will study more, because somehow you are struggling having the thoughts that you or having the words that you want to express, but I can see that you really express those well, even though that sometimes you can you think slowly, but it is okay. So it is, or it can be improved by practicing. So you did a great job in our lesson for today, to be. So thank you so much for being participative in our lesson for today. And I hope to see you again soon. So thank you so much, to be, and
Thank
bye
you.
bye. Thank you so
Thanks.
much for expressing yourself. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you so much.